Hey everyone, I'm Bradley Hasemeyer, and you're back on the list. Okay, he's an Oklahoma actor and he can sing too. Aaron Christie tells us James Marsden singing Garth Brooks is one of the 3 stories that have you swooning around Tulsa.
At number 1,
I did not know this was happening.
James Marsden nails it.
Blame it all on my roots. I showed up in boots. Yeah!
Oh, wow.
Your black tie fair.
Hundreds of thousands of you are watching the Stillwater native belt out Friends in Low Places on Ryan Secrest this week alongside Lady Antebellum.
I got friends in low places.
Even the band was impressed by the Songbird's rendition of fellow Okie Garth Brooks music.
Now I'm just pissed.
It's all a surprise.
Because he's better than me.
Garth, need an understudy on your tour?
In low places.
At number 2, 15 things you might not know about Oklahoma. This mental floss list is trending on Facebook, which includes at number 1, Oklahoma's official state meal: chicken fried steak, black-eyed peas, okra, squash, corn, cornbread, pork, biscuits, sausage and gravy, grits, strawberries, and pecan pie. I think it's time to check in with Dr. Oz, who says Okies use food as a celebration more than other states.
I have no problems with that. But celebration is usually the first couple bites of anything you eat. The 15th bite, the 3rd helping, is hedonism.
And number 3, speaking of meals, Hutch Pantry. Carrie Hutchins is bringing upscale dining with old school feel to the South Side.
We feel that that was a huge need in the Broken Arrow area, especially with the size of the restaurant that we have.
To help with the intimate atmosphere, light up menus, and signature dishes include pistachio-crusted sea bass and Bella chicken.
Portobello mushrooms and fresh baby spinach and feta cheese and bacon. And it's topped with a cream of mushroom lemon fresh sauce.
Good job. That has everything you'd want in a dish.
Now you are caught up and clued in around Tulsa.